I have been sharing with you several stories and several teachings of great Master Hazur Maharaj Baba Sawan Singh. Some people say, you keep on repeating the same thing, why don't you come up with something new? Well, this question was asked by one of the followers from great Master, who used to repeat the same stories again and again. So when he asked him, Master, you repeat the same stories, why don't you say something new? Great Master said, have you started meditating 2.5 hours? He had no answer. He says, I have to repeat again and again till you start doing that. But anyway, today I thought I should share with you something little different and new. It is also from within the great Master teachings, but it has not been presented this way. And that is, when we say we are old, like I am now got old, 92 years, 93 years, when we say we are old, what makes us old? If the soul is immortal and has no age, we sometimes say, this person has an old soul. How are we giving this definition of old, of age, even to a soul? What does it really mean when we talk of age? So I am going to talk to you today what age means in our experiences. When we are born as a human being, our age starts from the date of birth. And we keep on growing, and the age is dependent on the age of the human body. It does not take into account the age of what is inside the human body. It does not take into account the age of the astral body, nor of the causal body, and of course, nor of the ageless soul. So that is why when we talk of age, we are talking very primarily of the age of the clothes we are wearing. I can say I'm wearing a very old jacket of mine, the age of the jacket. In the same way, when we describe our age, we are describing the age of one of the bodies we are wearing. As it happens, the age of the physical body is very limited. It is limited because when we try to remember when we were young, we go only so far, and nobody has ever gone to beyond the date of birth to say, I remember anything before that, so far as the body is concerned. So the age of the body is very limited because the memory connected with this body is very limited. Now, what is memory? I have often said that memory is a very important subject to study. If you want to know how you remember things, you will notice there is a function of the mind. Mind holds all memory, whether it is memory of the physical body, or memory of the astral body, or memory of the causal body. So since the memory can go only as far as the birth of the body, so when we say he's got an old astral body, we are referring to the memory that can be obtained when we are at the astral level and can remember things as far back as we can. When we say his mind is very sharp, old, matured mind, we're talking of the age of the causal body, the causal self, the mind, and how much it can remember, how far it can go. So that is why when we say the memory of a soul, soul does not have memory, it has knowing, awareness. It has totality of memory is part of its awareness. Memory is generated only through a very small fraction of the total awareness. That is why when we say an old soul, we are not referring to the soul at all. We are referring to the soul's existence in these different bodies for a long time. If a soul has been born again and again in different forms, we say it's an old soul. So we're not referring to the age of the soul, but the age of the bodies in which the soul has existed.